Add a new camera to your account. Turn on the camera, long press the power button for 3 seconds. Blue light blinks, entering distribution mode. Click to add device. Turn on your cell phone's Bluetooth. Device naming. Input Wi-Fi and password. Device added successfully and ready to use. Note: we recommend that the cell phone and the device be separated by more than 10 meters when testing the two-way voice function, so as to avoid interference situations that generate noise and affect the use of the product.